15-minute tricep toning workout. Of all the body parts we focus on when trying to get fit, our arms can get left behind. But the truth is, upper body strength is not only important for feeling capable and strong as you age, but it also gives your upper half a more sculpted, toned appearance. Avoid that all too common arm flab as you age by staying ahead of the game. Use this tricep toning workout to sculpt strong, beautiful arms. Although it's true that you can't spot reduce body fat, you can spot tone, targeting a certain area of the body and strengthening those muscles to get stronger. The key to getting lean, toned triceps is then twofold: reduce overall body fat and focus on targeted strength training to work the triceps. 15-minute tricep toning workout. This tricep toning workout combines fat-burning cardio, which will reduce overall body fat, as well as tricep-specific exercises to create strong, sculpted arms. For this workout you will need a light to medium set-up dumbbells and a good pair of shoes for the cardio portion. Go through the entire set as listed, and you'll have yourself a powerful 15-minute workout. Jogging in place. A. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. B. Jog in place to work your legs and increase your heart rate. Jog slow for 1 minute, then fast for 1 minute. Tricep push-up. A. Lie down on one side, stacking your shoulders, hips, and feet. Bring top hand to the mat directly in front of your bottom shoulder. The bottom hand will be wrapped around your waist below your chest. B. The top arm does all the work as you press yourself up and lower yourself down to the mat to your starting position. You will feel the tricep muscles on the back of the top arm working. Repeat on the other side. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps on right side, 12 reps on left side. Jumping jacks. A. Start standing with a slight bend in your knees and hands resting on thighs. B. Keeping the knees bent, open the arms and legs out to the sides. Arms come above the head and legs wider than shoulders, then close, returning to start. Perform jumping jacks easy for 1 minute, then fast for 1 minute. Tricep overhead extensions. A. Standing with feet hip distance apart. Arms are long with dumbbells directly overhead. Keep your spine long and abs tight. B. Bend elbows, lowering dumbbells to the base of the head. Keep your elbows hugging in toward your head and pointing forward. Then, extend your arms long, returning to your starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Mountain climbers. A. Place hands on the floor slightly wider than shoulder distance apart. Bring your body into plank position and engage your abdominals. B. Bring one knee in toward your chest, then switch feet and draw the other knee in, alternating back and forth quickly. Perform mountain climbers slow for 1 minute, then fast for 1 minute. Crab crawl. A. Begin by sitting on the floor with your feet hip distance apart in front of you. Bring your arms behind you with your hands flat on the floor. Raise yourself off the floor. Keep glutes and abs tight and lifted. B. Begin crawling forward by moving your left hand followed by your right foot, and then your right hand followed by your left foot. Crawl forward 4 steps, backward 4 steps. Repeat for 1 minute.